Good morning, students. Yesterday we were discussing English literature, chapter number 5, question answers. Chapter 5, Rupali Ba, an epitome of bravery. This chapter's question answer we are discussing. We continue today. Yesterday we have discussed all the objective type questions. Now today we are going to study first page number 32 page, question number 1 2 3 4 complete. Very short answer questions, 5 number. Answer each question in 1 or 2 sentences. A number. What were in great demand in those olden days? Answer. In those olden days, escorts means protectors, guides. Escorts were in great demand because it was not safe to travel alone long distances alone. Finish. B number. What exceptional skill did Gemma have? Answer. Gemma was a very popular famous escort. He was so popular. He used his sword with such an exceptional skill that even robbers and thieves ran away to hear his name. C number. With whom did Rupali Ba live? Answer. Rupali Ba lived with her in-laws. In-laws means house of the husbands, with the family of husbands. Rupali Ba lived with her in-laws. D number question. What did Rupali Ba hit the robbers with? Rupali Ba was a brave and courageous woman. Answer. Rupali Ba was a brave and courageous woman. She hit the robbers hard with an iron rod. Complete. Now short answer questions. 6 number. Answer each question in a few sentences. A number. What did Gemma start doing when praise began getting into his head? Answer. When praise began getting into his head, Gemma became boastful and less alert. while while escorting the travelers, because now he thought that all the robbers fear him a lot. They ran away even hearing his name. Complete. B number. Who attacked the caravan and how was Gemma thrown out of the cart? Answer. When Gemma was escorting Rupali Ba, a dozen of robbers attacked the caravan. First, the robbers tied up Gemma's hands and feet with rope, and then threw him out of the cart. C number. What did the brave Rajput girl do to divert the robbers' attention? Answer. To divert the robbers' attention, the brave Rajput girl pushed out her feet from under the cloth. Full stop. Then she asked two robbers to remove her heavy silver anklets. And when they lowered their head to remove anklets, she hit both of them on the head with iron rod and they died on the spot. D number. Why and how did the robbers flee? Answer. First, Rupali Ba hit two robbers on the head with iron rod so hard that both of them died on the spot. Then she hit the robbers hard, right and left, and badly injured them. At last, the chief of the robbers ran away, and when the chief ran away, all the other robbers were disheartened and they also ran away behind their chief. Now, long answer questions. A number. Explain how Gemma's overconfidence and pride endangered not only his own life but also the lives of the persons he was escorting. Gemma was overconfident and proud. So he put his own life and Rupali's life also in danger. How? We have to describe. Answer. Answer will be. Answer. Gemma was a brave and courageous escort. Robbers ran away hearing his name, so he now became overconfident and proud. He was now less alert while escorting travelers. And while he was escorting Rupali Ba, he fell asleep. He slept. Then a dozen of robbers attacked them. First they tied up Jemaj hand and feet with rope and threw him out of the cart. This way he was careless, so he put his own life and Rupali's life in danger. B number question. Describe how the brave Rajput girl defeated the tough robbers. Its answer will be: first, the brave Rajput girl Rupali Ba hit two robbers on the head with an iron rod so hard that they fell down and died on the spot. Then she started fighting bravely and with great courage, hitting them right and left with the iron rod. She fought like a trained fighter and badly injured the robbers. First, at last, the chief was so afraid, so scared, he ran away to save his life. Then other robbers also ran away behind him. Complete. C number question. Question number C. How did Rupali Ba meet her heroic end? Means, how did she die? Answer. When all the robbers ran away, she first went to her uncle's home. Then she reached her father's house. She had lost a lot of blood. She could speak only a few words to her parents. And after some time, she met her heroic end. Finish. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.